Morrey Wakibiro ni athiete na mbere na kwiruta hari uhoro ucio. Ameenda kule hivyo Facebook na akarelease a statement. Akasema, hello everyone, kindly disassociate me with the toxic love by Samidoh and thutha wa maundu by SK Rori. Copyright issues. Aki please nitoeni kwa hii mambo. Oho nierekereirie statement from IS Africa Limited. Disassociation from claims regarding the song Toxic Love. We IS Africa Limited, an agency that manages comedian Morrey Wakibiro, wish to categorically disassociate ourselves from any claims or involvement in the alleged removal of the song Toxic Love, which is said to resemble Thutha wa Maundu. For clarity, Thutha wa Maundu is a song by SK Rori. IS Africa Limited has no ownership or control over this song. Our only engagement in relation to Thutha wa Maundu was facilitating the hiring of the brand character Bona Francis, church secretary, portrayed by Morrey Wakibiro, for which SK Rori duly paid 50,000 Kenya shillings. Ari wira Morrey Wakibiro niguo arauga ati rwimbo ru andu matiga gukorwo maki munyororia kana makimukirira ni undu wa gukorwo video ine yo na rwimbo ru ni rwatuma rwimbo rwa Toxic Love rukorwo rukirutwo, na auga ati we arihitwo eta Vixen na arihirwo 50 through kambuni ino iria ikoragwo ikimanage YouTube yake. Any inquiries regarding the song Toxic Love or its resemblance to Thutha wa Maundu should be directed to SK Rori or Samidoh, as they are the relevant parties in this matter. IS Africa Limited remains committed to professionalism and transparency in all its dealings. Any claims suggesting our involvement in the alleged actions regarding Toxic Love are unfounded and misleading. Morrey augete andu matigane nake na kuga ati involved na rwimbo ru gukorwo rukirutwo YouTube. Of course onani riria nyonire rwimbo ru ne nyonire Morrey hana makosa. Morrey ndari na mahitia hau. He was just a vixen. He was just a vixen, an actor on that video. Koguo uguo andu maramukirira guku na inde ni cia ukinyaniria ni gukorwo involved, then they should stop and follow SK Rori. Mimi sijui maoni yako kuhusu hiyo studio.